File in this April 24, 2018, file photo, an American flag flies outside the New York Stock Exchange in New York. The U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. EDT on Tuesday, June 5. AP photo, Mary Altaffer, file, New York, AP, U.S. Stocks finished mostly higher Tuesday as weeks of up and down trading, much of it related to trade tensions, gave way to smaller moves. Technology companies, retailers, and U.S.-focused companies kept rising while banks fell with interest rates. The market spent the day alternating between small gains and losses. Technology companies like Apple and eBay rose for a third straight day, and the Nasdaq Composite again set an all-time high. The Labor Department said job openings increased in April, which could help lead to higher pay and greater consumer spending. Retailers climbed, and smaller ones fared especially well following some strong first-quarter results. Larger companies like Amazon and Macy's also rose. When people have extra income, they're going to spend it on discretionary goods, said Jason Draho, the head of asset allocation for UBS. The jobs data would suggest a lot of job openings, and that's going to lead to higher wage growth. However, banks fell along with interest rates, and healthcare companies also traded lower. Starbucks fell after it said longtime chairman Howard Schultz is leaving the company. B.S. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 13.71 points, or 0.1%, to 24,799.98. The Nasdaq Composite rose 31.40 points, or 0.4%, to 7,637.86, and the Russell 2000 climbed 11.25 points, or 0.7%, to 1,664.63. The Nasdaq, which includes a heavy weighting of technology companies, and the Russell, an index comprised of smaller and more U.S.-focused companies, are at record highs. B.S. 26, and the Dow will have to rally 7% to reach the market set the same day. The Labor Department said that for the first time since records began in December 2000, there are more job openings than unemployed Americans. That could give workers more leverage for pay raises, while high levels of employment and greater consumer spending are expected to lead to faster economic growth in the coming months. Retailers helped lead the way Tuesday as more of them reported quarterly results. G3 Apparel Group climbed 10.8% to $47.53 after it raised its annual profit and sales forecast following a strong first quarter. Ascena Retail shook off early losses and rose 7.9% to $3.95. Amazon again finished at a record high after it jumped 1.9% to $1,696.35, while Target gained 2.8% to $78.50 and Macy's jumped 8% to $40.05. Jason Draho of UBS said smaller companies are leading the market because they're seen as less vulnerable to tariffs and trade disputes, and because economic growth in the U.S. is picking up while Europe and other regions don't look quite as strong. He added that technology companies did well in the first quarter, and big companies including Apple and Facebook have shaken off some recent struggles. Starbucks fell after Howard Schultz said he's stepping down as the coffee chain's chairman. Schultz has been chairman of the company since 2000 and oversaw enormous expansion for Starbucks over that time. He stepped away as CEO in 2000 but returned in 2008, and relinquished that title to Kevin Johnson in 2017. The stock lost 2.4% to $55.68. S. Twitter rose 5.1% to $39.80. Netflix, which will become part of the S. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note fell to 2.92% from 2.94%. Financial companies fell in tandem with bond yields. Lower yields force interest rates down on mortgages and other kinds of loans, which means lower profits for banks. Morgan Stanley lost 1.5% to $50.78 and Capital One gave up 1.1% to $94.35. Mylan climbed 3.8% to $39.98 after federal regulators approved its version of Amgen's anti-infection drug Neulasta. The Mylan drug, Fulphila, is called a biosimilar, meaning it's the generic equivalent of a complex biotech drug, and it's approved to reduce the risks of infections during treatment for cancer. Amgen lost 2% to $181.73. Oil prices moved higher. Crude hit a three-year high of $72 a barrel on May 21 but has declined sharply over the past 2 weeks. U.S. crude picked up 1.2% to $65.52 a barrel in New York. Brent crude, used to price international oils, added 0.1% to $75.38 a barrel in London. Wholesale gasoline lost 0.8% to $2.11 a gallon. Heating oil slipped 0.5% to $2.14 a gallon. Natural gas sank 1.4% to $2.89 per 1,000 cubic feet. The dollar rose to 109 yen and 76 sen from 109 yen and 58 sen. The euro slipped to $1.1715 from $1.1719. Gold rose 0.4% to $1,302.20 an ounce. Silver added 0.7% to $16.54 an ounce. Copper jumped 2% to $3.20 a pound. Germany's DAX rose 0.1% and the French CAC 40 dipped 0.2%. Britain's FTSE 100 dropped 0.7%. Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 index rose 0.3% and South Korea's Kospi gained 0.3%. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng rose 0.3%. ____ AP Markets writer Marley J can be reached at http://twitter.com/marleyjapp. His work can be found at https://appnews.com/. Search /marleyj. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.